Wagwan again, unstoppable family. So people, the battle continues on social media. Whether it be against DJs or selectors, the battle is on. I know say due to the whole lockdown thing and the whole corona thing, everything is happening on social media right now. Instagram mainly. Alright, you see where Bounty Killer and Beanie Man did the versus battle over there. Alright, we see where other selectors did battles over there as well. So Instagram, everything are happening right now. Alright, and even information just come out that even Sumfest is going to be occurring on social media as well. Because you don't know, so nobody can gather, none of them think they can go on. So even Sumfest are going to go on social media as well. Now speaking of that, Tony Matterhorn and Panther just had a clash couple days ago, and people, that was the hot talk of the town, right? A lot of persons are saying, yo, it wasn't as big as versus because too much people didn't turn out to watch the clash as much as persons turned out to watch versus, and that is kind of what Tony Matterhorn did say initially, you know, you understand? Well, Tony Matterhorn go do film clash and not much people turn out, but for the persons who turn out, some people are say, yo, Tony Matterhorn lose the clash, while others are say Matterhorn win. Alright, well, in this conversation right here, so Ricky Trooper and Wiz, big up yourself, my general, is having a conversation and them talk about the clash and what Tony Matterhorn do wrong and all of that. So, yo, Trooper even say Panther shoot Matterhorn every single time he open me mouth, and we not talk about physically shoot him now, we know people. We are talking about lyrics. Alright, here we go on. Make we take a listen to the conversation between Ricky Trooper and Wiz, and then we forward back. Zane, make we go take a listen.
The thing about sound clash is all about winning. It's all about winning. Zane?
Okay. Yeah.
It's all about winning. Remember, I know, with the verses clash of one with Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Matterhorn was up in arms and saying a lot of things about that clash, you know. Yeah. And I said, okay, if it was him or his platform, how much people would have been there and this and that, and them not do it for the culture and so. So when now you get the chance to prove yourself on that same live platform and you not do no work.
I mean, he did have the sample, and he did have the Afrobeat dub them, but a lot of dubs were from the boat. I know that. That's true. I understand that. But you have to play what you have.
And that's how clash go. Clash is something you're supposed to prepare for.
Yes.
You're supposed to prepare for that. And for him do it for, he got paid.
Okay, agreed.
So he got paid. So over all the years, madam, over all the years, you have a lot of you to come in at the thing, seeing, and them put in work in at the thing. Put in work in at the thing. You understand?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I left Jaro, I put in work in at the thing. I spend money on 5 songs. I spend money. You have to spend on 5 songs. You have to spend money on 5 songs. Because at the end of the day, you don't care how big you is or what you have done in the business already. That doesn't count when you are in front of an audience. You don't care if you're a trooper, you don't care if you're a squingy. It doesn't care who you is. When the time comes, you have to go perform for the people. And the people, dancers, sound clash, goers, they have short memory. So if you keep on and give them this whole recondition something, at your come when I'm go done with your car, they're tired of your shit. That's what happened to Matterhorn last night. The people are tired of shit. Nobody never look for Panther come the way he did last night. Panther reinvent himself, you know. And come 100% fresh. 100% fresh. Now Matterhorn is a person who knows in creative and all them thing there. Where was the creativity last night? Where were the songs? He all over the place. He come in set wasn't together. See? I mean I clash all my life that I want to do for my living. See? Matterhorn never prepare for the clash. He never prepare. Him think it's a joke thing. And Panther take it serious. Wiz, you can know when somebody prepare for something. The man play custom right show, him a shoot him right show. Even in the tune for tune, him still a play custom and a shoot him right show. You see a confident Panther.
Yeah.
Nobody not talk about the bounty killer custom with Panther play. Beat him man again.
Wow. The Beanie Man was wow. That was a bomb.
The Beanie Man again.
That was a bomb.
The Beanie Man again.
Yeah.
See? So me I say, but not talk about the Beanie Man.
Yeah, the
so
Beanie
you're going to
Man
show him
was
play one Afrobeat song. Eh? The one song couldn't help him to win the clash.
Well, I mean, if I scored the clash, if I had to score the clash, it was 3-2 Panther. Because I had them going tied into tune for tune until Panther won the tune for tune hands down. That's the way I saw it. That's the way I saw it.
But yeah, I don't want to get me wrong, you know. I never said Matterhorn perform and do it if I do it. I never said that, you know.
Right, never. No, you did not.
I didn't say that, you know. I don't want nobody get this thing wrong or I say, oh, Chopper in bias or this. I never said Matterhorn did not. Did I say he didn't perform?
No, you did not say that.
I said, when you sit down and watch this something, see?
Yeah.
I've never watched it and listen it back. It'll come like saying, everybody have their opinion.
Yes.
I know I don't say him. I never say Matterhorn performing. You know. Did I say that?
No, you did not. No, you didn't.
I said, when you sit down and look on the thing, Panther was more prepared.
Yes.
Panther, it shows you that Panther was more prepared. And if it was in front of a live audience, see, it was in front of a live audience, it would come like Panther sweep him. Panther would sweep him in front of a live audience.
I don't agree with that. I cannot. No way. No way. All right. If you were to keep score out of 5, you would have give Panther 5-0? You would have give Panther 5-0?
You're crazy. I couldn't do that.
All right. What would the score? That. Out of 5, what would your score be?
Because to me, Panther come like it to me, make it Panther like say 3 rounds. I gave Panther. 3 rounds, make it Panther. Make it Panther 3 rounds.
Me too.
I gave him 3 rounds.
Okay. So you give Matterhorn the first 1 and 2 rounds.
Yeah.
So
3 rounds give Panther.
So 3-2.
3 rounds, yeah.
All right. So 3-2. That's where I have it. Can't be a sweep. No way. I won't accept a sweep. No way. Can't be a sweep. But you think now, energy-wise, Trooper, energy. You're stating the fact that if there was a crowd in front of you, you think the energy would have been more for Panther than it was for Matterhorn?
Of course. Of course.
I don't know.
Of course. I'm going to show you a thing. It's every time Matterhorn open his mouth, Panther shoot him. Every time he open his mouth, Panther shoot him.
Okay.
Right through Panther shoot him. Right through Panther shoot him. I'm not disrespecting nobody, Madam. See?
No.
I'm not disrespecting no artists. I'm not going to say nothing about no artists. Right. But you see, the caliber songs where Panther did that play right through out of 100%. 90% of the song where Panther play, I shoot more than Matterhorn song them. Because Matterhorn, if you go back to a B.O. cartel him a play, Scooby rhythm and them something there. Who does that? In this time and age.
Why you gotta be that guy? Why you gotta be that guy?
No, but the reality me talk cartel and DJ, but I guess you have to go back. Them back all cartel and Scooby rhythm and Scooby.
Yeah. But you have dubs play them. You see me I say you have dubs play them.
Man fi have pride too. If me I cuss bounty when me I cuss bounty killer in a them days I mean I cuss bounty killer.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Me not play no killer. Me just you cannot be cursing somebody. I give it to an artist. I disrespect them. Tell them all kind of thing. And then when the time come, brother, see? When you're back against the wall, a killer you have to go so boom and rock back pan.
Yeah. You know, about 79 kilo in a row. My goodness. I was like, yo, boy, oh boy.
My youth, I'm gonna show you something. That's why you see that internet something here. So I'm not do them clash, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm not do them clash, you know. I do no internet clash. The same youth will keep that clash here. Them call me for play David Radigan. Them call me for play. They want to fly David Radigan from England, fly him come to Jamaica, a Winfred Williams studio, and me and Radigan clash. That's what them want to do. I'm let the push out of the back. See?
Mm.
And if me go do this, I'm gonna charge the same money when I charge if it was a real life thing.
Okay. All right. So there you have it. Breaking news. That was supposed to be the next one. Ricky Trooper, David Radigan. But financially has to be financially acceptable.
Yeah, if the money don't right, I'm not do it. Because
okay.
I'm just share something with you. You see this online clash thing.
Yeah.
It's harder to bring across your craft than if you play in front of a live audience. So nobody tell you nothing. It's harder to bring across your craft because when you have live audience, you can't do certain things and you come across to them because the people in front of you. So you will play a song or you make a joke or something like that, and some of the people that sit down on the live them don't get it.
Yeah. It's very difficult to get the energy out there. Very difficult. I understand what you're saying.
Man, that was a good reasoning right there between Ricky Trooper and Wiz. If you don't want to watch the full reasoning, you can go check it out on Wiz YouTube page. Alright, it named Wizology. Alright, you can go check it out if you want to watch the full thing. But me like the reasoning between Ricky Trooper and Wiz. What I say, I agree with the things them where Trooper say, talk to me down in the comment section. If you would have did it and actually did all watch the clash between Panther and Tony Matterhorn, right? One thing, who say you give the win? Who would you say you give the win? Matterhorn or Panther? Talk to me in the comment section. Make me know your thoughts, your views, your opinion. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time to Unstoppable and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where you wait pan, hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.